Hello, my name is Jenna. Today in this video, I wanted to share with you how I created my faux fireplace that I have in my master bedroom so that you can have one in your home too. This is the perfect DIY if you're renting or you want to add a faux fireplace to your master bedroom, or if you have a big enough closet, it would be perfect in there. Somewhere cool, unique, that's just like super easy to install and it's like so pretty. Continue watching this video so you can have a faux fireplace in your home too.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
I'm back home now and I have all my supplies, so I'm ready to start my project. I got my dog some snacks so they're kept busy and entertained, so I don't have to worry about entertaining them. Here are all the things that I'm gonna be using today. I just went to Home Depot and got this. This is gonna create the shelf and the mantle for my fireplace. And got a candle holder. You guys will see what I do with this later. Some candles, some command strips, sandpaper, the columns for my fireplace, the base, which is an IKEA shelf. Just gonna lay it down right here. You can see I've already laid it down here. This is gonna be the base for my fireplace. A simple IKEA shelf. Works perfect. Gonna get a little bit more comfortable. All right, how I'm gonna start this is, so this is gonna be like the base, or I don't know, the columns of my fireplace. I got it off of Overstock and it's very light. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but I'll let you know. And basically what I'm gonna do is add some command strips to the back of it and attach it to the wall. It kind of doesn't really need anything because it stands pretty well, but I'm just gonna do it just in case. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. So it's gonna look like this. There's one. And there's the second one. It doesn't quite touch the bottom of it, so I'm probably just gonna do command strips at the top on both sides, just so it's somewhat secure onto the wall. So I'm gonna start by doing that.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right.
Yay, I'm gonna put the first column on the wall. But first, before I do that, I'm gonna measure it to make sure that the distance is good, because I measured the boards a certain way. So I need it, before I attach it to the wall, I'm gonna measure it to make sure it's at the correct rate.
Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Now all I'm gonna do is add command strips to this, and then I'm gonna attach it here, and then I could add the top shelf and it'll be almost complete. After I accessorize it, it'll be all
If I
done.
leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away.
This is seriously so exciting. Like, I literally had no idea what I was gonna use for a shelf for the longest time. So I'm really happy that I finally figured it out and I have a shelf, like my own little mantle that I created. Yes! Okay, so I went to Home Depot and I purchased these anchors for drywall. It holds up to 75 pounds, so this should be good to hang the mirror up. Wish me luck, I'm kind of scared. Because the mirror is heavy, so I'm really scared. Especially after watching a YouTube video and somebody said that like you need to make sure that there's no stud with electrical wires. That freaked me out a little bit, but fingers crossed. I'm not gonna be anchoring this where there's wires. I'm just very determined to get this done today, so. it breaks?
If it breaks, that means you hit something. Oh, see?
Oh, did it break?
Yeah. So, let's see if there's wood behind there. Nope, it's open.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
There it goes. It broke, so. Okay,
so I am doing a little update on the faux fireplace because the original mantle did not work at all. It ended up getting really icky and gross looking and it was driving me nuts. So I went ahead and went to Home Depot and I found a shelf that works perfectly as the new fireplace mantle. And I just have one more piece to add and then the fireplace is complete and I'm gonna be finally sharing it with you guys. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, so here is the new fireplace mantle slash shelf that I'm using for my faux fireplace. I like this one because the measurements match perfectly to this, the width of this. So that's why I chose this one. I was really happy that I found something that was like the exact same size. And all it's missing is a piece right here. And let me show you really quick what the before piece of mantle looked like. So before I go ahead and finish the faux fireplace, I just want to show you guys really quick what the before looked like. As you can see, there's all these like really gross, ugly water stains on them. Yuck. Out with the old, in with the new. Yay! So I just have these command strips that hold 16 pounds and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the back of the piece of wood and attach it right there. So the fireplace is officially done. Are you guys ready to see it? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this faux fireplace tutorial. I would love to see you guys recreate it in your home. Make sure to tag me if you do. Until the next one, see you then. Bye. Oh, little baby. Who's the little baby? Who's the little Bobby?